All right, now this is Phuket Old Town. A lot busier than Krabi, a lot faster. Also a lot hotter. I find that like this is because we're kind of enclosed all the buildings and stuff, not near any water. I find it a bit more humid here. Drag and wash and dry. It's the most colorful laundromat I've ever seen in my life. It makes me want to wash clothes there. Those pink tuk tuk. Them tuk tuk drivers are wild.
vais lui redemander. Si tu veux, attends-moi ici.
Non, 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 mais je vais aller voir. This one, yes. Yes, yes.
Walk through his little bazaar. Bazaar. Nothing like the Medinas, which are bazaars in Morocco. Nothing like that. The maze-like style. The mini fans. With this heat, I don't even know if those mini fans would help because it's humid here. I saw some disco tie right there, man. It made me want to dance. So I was reading something on the internet about spending money in Thailand. Like the stuff is so cheap here. It's like when you keep spending, thinking it's so cheap. By the time you look at it, it's like, oh fuck, where'd my money go, right? But that's it, bro. All right, looks like it's a dead end. But yeah, back out. So I'm saying, like, if you're making our type of money, obviously your money's gonna go a longer way. But you know, you can depends on what you want to do. You can blow a lot of money here in Thailand, eat quickly, or you can conserve, like just eat, buy your groceries or buy street food. You know, your money will go a longer way than if you went into restaurants. Restaurants will eat your money, man. I'm telling you, restaurants, man. But you travel to eat exotic stuff, right? So that's why I like to eat. I like to try new things and everything. Guess anything's possible here, huh? Phuket, Old Town. Hi, yeah. How are you? Sawadee. See, you gotta, when you go to a place and you speak the language, even if it's a greeting or two, it opens up stuff. Right? They look at you different, right? So Sawadee Ka is like, how are you? Kap Kun Krap is thank you. And Lagoon Ka is bye. Those are the three I know. Thai is not really a hard language to learn like Chinese, you know what I mean? Or even Russian, that's another hard one. All right, so you know the original Red Bull is taken from here, and then the Americans or whatever, somebody took it and made it popular. But yeah, look all the other energy drinks is good. But I heard this M150 is a good one. So I'm gonna get that. And then this one I tried in Malaysia at the, I think it's an apple muscat kind of flavor. It's nice though, it's nice. Shit, definitely water too, but. So one thing you gotta worry about here is like the whitening cream. Like some of the creams you buy, you gotta watch out because they're obsessed with light skin. So I gotta make sure the lotion or face wash I'm buying ain't gonna make me like Michael Jackson. So the store I just left is right across from where I'm staying, right? So it's just down here. Food everywhere as soon as I come out, just down south here. All right, so it's the second Airbnb in a row where, you're staying at someone's house, you gotta respect your shoes and shit, right? You gotta take off your shoes. It's not much small, but I'm only here for a couple of days. I don't need much. I don't need much, man. Just a place to shower and sleep. I'm good, because I'm out most of the day anyway, so it's all good. But one little interesting thing about here. Like, have you ever seen a shower and a toilet in one? That comes in handy. I just thought of that. You could just take a shit and then boom, right there in the shower, you just get up. You don't even have to get up. And because water gets everywhere, you kind of got the toilet paper or Kleenex in plastic, right? So it doesn't get wet. You know what I mean? But yeah, shower and bathroom in one. And another thing too is like these hot water heaters. This is what I noticed. It's like these hot water heaters control. It's not like back home in North America. We don't have that. It's just automatically built in. This is just like, you know what I mean? You control the heater. It's separate. If you don't know what this is, you better recognize this is mango sticky rice. Don't play with it. I guess it's milk or something. So sesame seeds with the rice, yo, fuck. I'm addicted to this. This is good, yo.